Theta value equivalent to $1.1157 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $1.1116, $1.1999. The earlier day close: $1.1588. The change was 0.0431, 3.72%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta conjecture for WALC 2024. Before all else cost at $1.58. Excessive cost 1.88, while low cost 1.58. The normal for the month $1.70. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.76, change for spring 11.4%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $1.76. Excessive cost 1.98, while low cost 1.72. The normal for the month $1.83. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.85, change for April 5.1%. Theta gauge for May 2024. In the first place cost at $1.85. Exorbitant cost 2.05, while low cost 1.79. The normal for the month $1.90. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.92, change for May 3.8%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $1.92. Excessive cost 2.20, while low cost 1.92. The normal for the month $2.03. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.06, change for June 7.3%. Theta conjecture for July 2024. At the outset cost at $2.06. Excessive cost 2.27, while low cost 1.97. The normal for the month $2.11. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $2.12, change for July 2.9%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $2.12. Excessive cost 2.35, while low cost 2.05. The normal for the month $2.18. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $2.20, change for August 3.8%. Theta gauge for September 2024. To start with cost at $2.20. Exorbitant cost 2.39, while low cost 2.07. The normal for the month $2.22. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.23, change for September 1.4%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $2.23. Excessive cost 2.43, while low cost 2.11. The normal for the month $2.26. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.27, change for October 1.8%. Theta conjecture for November 2024. Before all else cost at $2.27. Excessive cost 2.65, while low cost 2.27. The normal for the month $2.42. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $2.48, change for November 9.3%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $2.48. Exorbitant cost 3.08, while low cost 2.48. The normal for the month $2.73. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $2.88, change for December 16.1%. Theta figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $2.88. Excessive cost 3.21, while low cost 2.79. The normal for the month $2.97. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $3, change for January 4.2%. Theta cost expectation for February 2025. To start with cost at $3.00. Exorbitant cost 3.34, while low cost 2.90. The normal for the month $3.09. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $3.12, change for February 4.0%. Theta estimate for WALC 2025. First and foremost cost at $3.12. Exorbitant cost 3.62, while low cost 3.12. The normal for the month $3.31. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $3.38, change for spring 8.3%. Theta cost expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at $3.38. Excessive cost 3.68, while low cost 3.20. The normal for the month $3.43. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.44, change for April 1.8%. Theta conjecture for May 2025. In the first place, cost at $3.44. Exorbitant cost 3.44, while low cost 2.77. The normal for the month $3.16. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $2.98, change for May 13.4%. Theta cost expectation for June 2025. To start with, cost at $2.98. Exorbitant cost 3.56, while low cost 2.98. The normal for the month $3.21. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.33, change for June 11.7%. Theta conjecture for July 2025. At the outset, cost at $3.33. Excessive cost 3.33, while low cost 2.76. The normal for the month $3.10. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.97, change for July 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at $2.97. Exorbitant cost 2.97, while low cost 2.32. The normal for the month $2.69. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $2.49, change for August 16.2%. Theta gauge for September 2025. In the first place, cost at $2.49. Exorbitant cost 2.49, while low cost 1.94. The normal for the month. Theta cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $2.09. Excessive cost 2.59, while low cost 2.09. The normal for the month $2.30. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.42, change for October 15.8%. Theta estimate for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at $2.42. Exorbitant cost 3.01, while low cost 2.42. The normal for the month $2.67. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.81, change for November 16.1%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else, cost at $2.81. Excessive cost 2.81, while low cost 2.19. The normal for the month $2.54. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $2.36, change for December 16.0%. Theta figure for January 2026. Excessive cost 2.36, while low cost 1.84. The normal for the month $2.14. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.98, change for January 16.1%.